Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get more views on your TikTok post on the TikTok app. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple tips. So first, I'm just going to introduce TikTok and basically there are some tips that can help you have more views on your post. So basically one of these tips is to add hashtag to your content. So basically, whenever you're going to add some picture or anything, so let's add a camera photo. So here I'm going to use this picture. After that, I will need just to go like this, and basically you can have this. And basically, you will need just to click on the 3 points icon here and add some hashtags so you can have more uh, view or more relevancy on the post on your feed. So basically here on this bar, we need just to edit our post. So we need just to search for edit. I'm going to my profile. This is my post. Let's just search for the edit button and here we can edit post. So basically you can start mention some people who have like more followers, it can be friend or anything, or you can choose to start adding hashtags. So the more hashtags or the more a hashtag is popular. So for example, let's just add trend. You can see that trending has this hashtag has 800 million posts of that's using the same hashtag. So make sure that you are using hashtags that are too popular so you can have more visibility on your post. Otherwise, you can try also following trends like having the funk music, or there are many trends each for each period of time. So make sure that you are following the trends so you can have more visibility also on the TikTok. Also, you can start like adding music or popular music or trending music on your post. Like before creating the post, you can just try add some popular music. You click here on add sound and try to choose the sounds that are more popular. Or you can start like adding ads or promoting your post by going here and click on promote, and you can start promoting your content by paying for ads. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.